Hi everyone. Today is 24th Feb, a monthly expiry, and we are almost at the closing time. Right now, time is 3:05, and averaging had started. So this will also go worthless. So this will go to 0.05 or something like that, and we'll end up with a profit of almost 10,200 for the day. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both are down around 5%. Nifty is down by 4.7, and Bank Nifty is down 5.5%. So it's a pretty bad situation, all because of this Ukraine and Russia war situation. So we opened pretty a big gap down for from 17,050 to you know 16,550. So almost 500 points gap down, and then once it's such a big gap down, so people who had short position they will be booking profit. So and people who had so much of exposure they will be closing the position. So they mostly they'll be buying. So because of those orders, this first candle you can see, and after that again it was a continuous fall, little retracement, continuous fall, retracement, fall, retracement. So it's a one-way market that has been going since morning. To go over my trades, I had taken in the morning itself, I had taken short position in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I closed with a very minimal profit. I could have booked much more. I think I had taken around here in the first candle itself, I had taken short position, and then next 15 minutes market was just consolidating, and there was a risk of it to go higher because day for yesterday had happened the same thing. It opened gap down, consolidated, and then it kept on moving higher, and I was on the short side. I had sold the market, so I was expecting market to go down, and so that's why I just waited, and then in this candle when it came, I think here 36,300 level, I closed my position, not to take too big risk, because India VIX was around 30, and anything can happen, like big moves on either side is very much possible. So that's why I closed with I think 8,500 of profit, and then I was just watching the market. After that, so these two, both the position 4,000 and 4,300, both were short in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I had closed them with around four and a half, I mean 8,500 profit. So after that, I did not do anything. Then I sold some call option and sat on a very comfortable strangle of 1,000 points. So 16,000 put option, 17,000 call option. And initially I had sold 17,000 call option, and then I sat, and then when I saw decent profit in this, like 4 500, I sold 16,000. So market was at that point of time was around 16,600. So 4 500 both the sides I was safe. I was on the safer side. So I was not aiming for any big profit, because you can see the volatility and then the market how it is behaving. And in this kind of market, you can only make profit if you are super risk averse. You are not taking any big risk, and that is the best strategy that can work in this kind of market. So that's why I had sold very far out of the money call and put options, and I got yeah, it's okay. I did not aim for any higher return, because I have already made decent at the short position in the futures. So yeah, and then since then market is was consolidating in this range. When it fell down, and it doesn't matter because my position was 16,000 put option, so 16,000 is here. So market had to come 500 point again, so that's a very far. And on the call side also, 17,000 was my sold position on 17,000, so that was also quite far. Yeah, so that's all I did. I was super risk averse after the first position that I had taken in the morning, and I was not aiming much for that. And in those, I think I made 8 1100 plus 6 1600. So yeah, so that's all for today. So this is a intraday trade that I took, and thank you for watching.